update video. It's October and nice weather. It's almost 7 p.m. Trees are really nice at this time of the year. Beautiful trees. There's our lumberjack.
What'd you call me?
Lumberjack.
That's a French term.
Oh, what's the English one?
The equivalent of a lumberjack in English is logger.
Oh, logger. Well, what's a cabin builder? Well, he's a cabin builder. He's everything. You're everything. Because you can do anything.
I know, but don't call me a lumberjack.
Okay, logger.
Those are French guys only.
Well, French is good. French. All right, here's the update of the log cabin. So that was the first one he did. This is now the new one. Wow. Looks deadly.
It's deadly?
Yeah. This is not your normal log, hey? Right?
Pardon me?
This is not a normal log.
Yeah, it's a normal log.
No, what I mean is, you know how they just stack up the logs together without having to do this type of thing? Where you have to
like you mean the
carve
belly notch, a full
Yeah.
scribe?
Like how many people do this?
Yeah, like all the professional log homes are built like this. Like you can build a traditional style that's got gaps between the two horizontal logs, and you put something in there to fill the gap. This is just a different way of doing it, and takes a little more work.
It does.
Takes a little more work, and a log doesn't go quite as far as you know.
And it's gonna look like this, right? Once it's all in there.
Yep.
Nice. I like the color of the sawdust. So if we shave this after it's all built, it's gonna look like that color, right?
Sand it, you mean? Yeah.
Yeah, sand it.
Yes.
Nice. All right, so that's the update. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.